In a world overflowing with noise, sometimes all it takes is a quiet pause, a moment to close your eyes and simply drift. Here, surrounded by nature, silence speaks louder than words. The breeze hums gently, leaves sway in harmony, and water flows with quiet grace. Let the breath soften your thoughts and ease the weight you carry. Each movement in the landscape is a ripple, a flutter, a glow, reminds us that peace lives in the present. There's no need to act, no roles to play, no deadlines to chase. Just presence, just stillness, just you. Picture yourself on a winding trail, trees arching overhead, birds offering their gentle songs. With every step, tension fades and clarity returns. Let it realign what's been scattered. It's perfectly fine to pause, to breathe deeply, to exist without effort. This time is yours. Embrace it fully. Let your thoughts dissolve. You are worthy of calm, of softness, of feeling whole again. Nature asks for nothing. It welcomes you a little longer. Let your heart settle, your mind unwind. And when you're ready to return, you'll carry this quiet with you, lighter, clearer, and closer to your true self.